Meaning of good-natured.
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 Good-natured. Good-natured means having a kind, friendly and pleasant temperament or disposition. A person who is good-natured is generally easygoing and does not get easily upset or angry. They tend to be optimistic, cheerful, and accommodating towards others. Good-natured people often have a positive outlook on life and are willing to help others, even if it means inconveniencing themselves. They are typically well-liked by others and create a positive atmosphere around them. Overall, being good-natured is a valuable trait that can lead to happier relationships and a more fulfilling life.